Yes, honorable members, we move to question number 78 on the other paper. That stands in the name of a member for South Tongue, Honorable Kwabena Mensah William. Honorable, you may ask your question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, before I read the question, may I use the opportunity to correct the spelling of one of the towns, Sope. It is spelled S-O-K-P-O-E. So the O is missing. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise to ask the Minister for Roads and Highways when the following township roads of major towns in the South Town District will be improved: Sugakope Town Roads, Dabala Town Roads, Sope Town Roads, Tefle Town Roads. Mr. Speaker, thank you.
Yes, Honorable Minister.
I thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I thank my colleague for the correction. We have taken note for the future reporting on this road. Mr. Speaker, Sugakope, Dabala, Sopo, and Tefre are all major roads in South Town District. The road network within this town is in fair to poor condition. Currently, Mr. Speaker, the program is that there is no rehabilitation program for Sugakope, Dabala, and Sopo towns. However, Mr. Speaker, a contract for the bitumen surfacing of Tefre Town Road was awarded on 13 February 2020 and commenced on 8 June 2020 for completion on 7 June 2021. The progress of work to date is projected at 8% physical completion. The contractor will be issued with a warning letter to remobilize to site, failure of which the necessary processes will be initiated to terminate the contract and repackage for award. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honorable.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, rightly mentioned by the Minister at the portion which I want to quote, that there is no rehabilitation program for Sugakope, Dabala, and Sope towns. And the Minister informed this House when maybe the period by which you will likely consider these towns for a possible work to commence. If you can kindly furnish the House with a possible time or period when you are likely to consider these towns for some work to commence, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Minister.
I thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I did indicate that these 4 towns are very important towns in the South Town District. And even personally, these towns are very well known to me. And their economic importance of this country, particularly Sugakope and Dabala, is not in doubt at all. And road construction is ongoing. I have said Tefre is already awarded last year, is under construction. Even though work is not progressing as expected, contractor is on site. We shall have to do the needful to enable the contractor finish that road work. Sugakope, Gabara, Sopo will be considered this year. Action will be initiated, but of course, it will not form part of 2021 program because it has to be budgeted for. But it's planned that by 2022, these 3 towns could be considered in the midst of town roads to be developed across the country. And I urge my colleague, as he has been doing all the time, we should work together. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes,
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, may I put a request? Whilst we are waiting for the time when they are considered for the works, it appears it's getting so bad now. It's becoming very terrible to drive within the towns because of the erosions, and then the rains have actually exposed the very bad nature of it. Would the minister consider carrying out some little works, gravel works here and there to sort of help, an easy movement of people, cars and everybody, and some kind of works to remedially, solve the problem, while we wait for the major works?
Yes, Honorable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, that is a very reasonable request, and it can be accommodated. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.